Hello, we're librarians at Harper College, and in this video we are going to be showing you the benefits of using a database called MLA Handbook Plus. To get to this database, you'll go to the library homepage, you'll click Research, Databases, and then you'll scroll down until you go to MLA Handbook Plus. You'll click that, and if you're off campus, you might be prompted to log in with your MyHarper username and password. The main thing that's on MLA Handbook Plus is the current edition of the MLA Handbook. The library always keeps a copy of the print version of the MLA Handbook, so stop by the library if you'd like to browse the print version. The ebook version of the MLA Handbook is available on the database called MLA Handbook Plus. And you can get to that by clicking this top tab here, MLA Handbook. It shows the table of contents with each of the sections. To read sections of the MLA Handbook, what you'd have to do is find the section you'd like, which is in the table of contents here, which is pretty long, and you can click on a section. If you'd like to read a whole chapter, you can just click on the first section in a chapter, like this 1.0, and then you'll see in the book contents on the right panel, if you click that chapter, you'll see all the sections in that chapter that you could navigate to. And same thing for chapter 2, etc., etc. So this is really the best way to navigate the book, clicking into the book and then navigating it using the sections on the right-hand screen or right-hand panel. Another thing to note is that if there is something within the MLA Handbook that you're looking for, you can always do a keyword search at the top of the screen. So say I'm looking for information about how to quote something in MLA format. I search the word quote, and then I can see there's information from not just the MLA Handbook, but also MLA Guide to Digital Literacy. If I just wanted information from the MLA Handbook, I'd go to the left-hand panel, and I could see quoting and paraphrasing, avoiding plagiarism, etc. Everything in the MLA Handbook about quoting or quotations.
So the next section we'd like to show you is some examples of papers. So if you click here on the Examples tab, you'll have examples of different types of citations as well as sample papers. Let's look at the sample papers first. So within this section, there are 6 sample papers you can click on. And if you click on one of the links, it will download a sample paper for you. The great thing about this too is that there are annotations, so it will tell you why certain things are positioned or structured. Different elements will be structured in certain ways, and it will give you notes on the right or the left-hand side about why they are done like that. So if you scroll down, you can see your complete paper. And at the bottom of here too, you have your works cited. So you can see all of those MLA citations in the correct order as well. If we go back to the example page and if you click on Citations, this will show you all different types of citations you may be using in MLA format. So you can see on the top here we have books. And then on the left-hand side of the chapter contents of books, you can choose different types of books. So maybe there's a book by one author or 2 authors or an author that's unknown. If we click on one of these, it will jump down to that section and give you some sample citations. So this is a great resource to use if you have any different kind of book, any different types of publisher. It gives you examples for a little bit of everything. So some other maybe less cited types could be plays. You might have a short story in a book. So you can scroll down and see all the different options available to you.
Okay. The next thing we're going to look at is the Courses tab. Really, there's just one course, and the course is MLA Style 101. If you have students click Start Course, or you might show one of these videos in your class, there is also a quiz at the end of each of the videos. So, for example, and each of the videos is listed on the right here. There are 12. Video 2 through 11 deal with the elements, each of the elements of MLA, and then there is a final quiz. If you were to go to the author element video, this will explain how to write the author section of an MLA citation with a lot of different examples. When you go, there'll be a button you can click on to start a quiz. The quiz does show students the correct answers after they submit their answers, and it does show them their final score at the end of the quiz.
And lastly, now this is called MLA Handbook Plus. So in addition to the handbook and the quizzes and the examples, there are 2 additional books listed in this database. If you hover over Other Books and click on the drop-down, you'll see the other 2 books included, which are the MLA Guide to Digital Literacy and the MLA Guide to Undergraduate Research and Literature. If you click on the MLA Digital Literacy Guide, it will take you to the book. This is great to use in your classes and helps teach students how to do online searching. So you'll see sections on here that may be really relevant to your classes and to your students, such as understanding online searches, exploring the credibility of sources, and even working with your sources. At the bottom in the appendix too, it also includes sample lesson plans you can complete. If we go back up to the top, we're going to look at the other guide for undergraduate research and literature. This one also takes you to the same book, and it really helps students explore research. So there's lots of useful topics here, including things like searching the internet, or searching subject-specific databases, or even starting your research project. So if you click on any one of these, it will take you to that specific section. Both of these are great resources to use. If you would like to link to the MLA Handbook Plus in your Blackboard page, go ahead and navigate to the link on our database page. If you right-click on this link, click on Copy Link Address, and you can paste that into your Blackboard. If there are any specific pages you would like to link to within Blackboard in this database, please reach out to us and we can create that link for you.
Thank you for watching this video on using the database MLA Handbook Plus. If you would like more information about how to use MLA Plus in your course, please either call this number or email us. We're happy to help.
Thank you so much for watching.